Everlasting Vocabulary Review tutorial. Here is the main menu slide, and you can see a few different choices that you can choose from in order to continue. This presentation is all about reviewing vocabulary and looking at definitions, how the words are being used in sentences, and incorporating a visual to help for better understanding. So I'm going to click on one of these sections, vocab prologue to chapter 6, and it'll bring you to a submenu with a series of different words from that chapter. You can hit home if you made a mistake and you want to go back to the main menu, but I didn't make a mistake. And here you can choose a series of words. I'm going to click on tangent. This slide happens to be an interactive PowerPoint slide. However, not all slides are interactive, but be aware of different hints or clues on each slide if you can see them, and they'll tell you what you can do to interact with the PowerPoint. For example, we have click on the car below. So each slide is relatively set up the same. We have the vocab word, the definition, the sentence. We have a go back button. We have a home button to the main menu. And this back button goes to the sub menu. So I'm going to click on the car below to see what it does. So it is a great visual to go with the sentence that I have created. So I'm going to go back to my main menu. And there's also a quiz section with the different series of sections of novels that you can choose from and test yourself. So I'm going to choose chapter 14 to 19, and you can hit this button to go back to this quiz slide, and then you can hit home again to go back to the main menu. I'm going to hit begin quiz. And we have a question, which word means breathed hard with a whistling sound? And I'm going to choose wheeze, and it's going to bring me to correct. So I'm going to go back. Now, if I wanted to, I can go back to the quiz section, or I can move forward. And this button would also bring me back to the quiz section as well. Now, let's go through a question and answer it wrong so that you can see what it would look like. So which word means one who does not know how to read or write? Well, I know it's illiterate, but I'm going to choose accommodations. So I'm going to hit a slide that says wrong answer, so it'll send me back, and I would be able to try again or move on. So I'm going to go back here and go back to this slide and go back home. So this is a brief tutorial on how to work this PowerPoint. Enjoy and have fun.